Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Grow with Bhola. I hope you all are doing good. So today in this video I would like to share with you a good application for YouTuber. So I will show the application. So you can see Tuber Pro. You can download it from Google Play Store. So with the help of this application you can get lots of text for your YouTube videos, and also you can get trending topics, and also you can get any YouTube videos text. I mean, if you are looking for if you want to see the text of any YouTube video, so you can get from this application. So I'm going to open the application and I will show. Okay, so it is the interface. You can get keywords, I mean text for YouTube. Then also you can get copyright free music, image, not music. And here you can get trending topics, and on the top if you want to any YouTube videos text, so you have to copy the video link, then you have to paste here, so you will find all the text, and also you can copy from here. So I will show you. First of all I will show keyword. So I'm going to keyword. Keyword means text for YouTube. So I will type text YouTube. It may take some time. Okay. So I want to get text for any topic, like how to make a YouTube video, a YouTube channel. So I will type here, then get keywords. So you can see there are lots of text. So directly you can copy all the text according to your videos, and you can copy all the text and you can paste it from your text YouTube videos text. So I'll show how to copy. So for that you have click here. So randomly I'm just copy some text. Okay, so you can see I have copied 20 text. So just click on copy. Click on here, and then scroll down, then you can see all the text. Then click here to copy all the text. So I'll click, so it's copied. Then you can go to your browser or YouTube Studio, then you can add all the text. Okay, then I'll go to back, and if you are looking for trending topics, so there have trending on Google. So click here. Click here on trending. Wait a while. There have ads. So simply you just cut it. Okay. So you can see that's all are trending on Google. It's by the way it's worldwide. So click here, then select your country. Like I'm from India, so I'll click here. Then okay. So you can see there have trending topics. So you can tap it, like I'm tapping of Mumbai power cut. So I just tap here. Then you can see you can read why power cut in Mumbai, and you can make a video on these topics. So you know no need to worry about trending topics. There have content, there have text, everything. Then I'll go back and I will show you that any YouTube videos tags. So I'm going to YouTube. Wait a while. So if you want to see text of Ishan monitor, so click on it. And then go to share. Then click here. Then again go to Tuber Pro. Then paste here and tap on view text. Okay, so you can see all the text. You can copy if you want all the text from here. It's free. It's a free application. That's why they have simply I cut. Okay, so you can copy the text, then select and download. So I hope you like my video. If you like, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new updates and tips and tricks. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.